Welcome to Blue Bike Doors channel. I decided I'm gonna go ahead and put that little USB port on my motorcycle. It was raining now, the sun's out. What you gonna do? Oh, I got some more parts, I believe. Oh, run an intro. Welcome back. Okay, these will work. These are pressure release valve. I only needed one, but they had two of them, so I bought two. I mean, they was buy one get one free. These are screw in pop off valve, 175 psi. So when it gets up to certain psi, it I guess. Anyway, that's what I got. Got two of those. Don't need but one. And I got this. This is solenoids. Make it go up and down whenever I figure out why it won't go up and down. Plus the slow release. You don't want it to go and drop. You want it. So that's what that does. And these are just solenoids. I'm not going to open them. But you need two per bag, because you got to have one to open to go up and one to go down. So that's what I got. Go with all my other parts. Whenever I get to rolling on it, I won't have to stop and wait on parts. So what I'm doing right now is I done told you I'm going to do this right here. So yeah, let's do that. I almost got it, almost took apart. Always have a good place to set it. So let's come around here and I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay, this right here is what, ooh, look at all the bugs. We're taking this off right here. And I can't do it with my hands. One-handed. Yeah, I can. I did it. Boop. So now I gotta figure out if I can just, yeah, let's do that. Alright, this is what I did. Did you see me? I made a junction so I can tie into my Harley plug and I don't mess nothing up. If I want to put the other one back in, I can. Simple. So let me stick this in the hole. Fire in the hole. It just slides through this hole. Slips down through there, and it does not fit. Great, 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 great. Oh well, I would learn from mistake. Oh, I could drill the hole out. Dang it. I sure don't want to do that. Crap. Crap, crap, crap. Well, this is a fail. But I didn't cut them wires. The hole's not big enough for this to slide through. And I don't want to drill it out. Or do I? Well, looks like I'm putting the other one back in. I don't know what I did with it. Alright. Back to the drawing board. I'm still recording, so, well, the way it goes. Anyway, that's a fail. The hole's not big enough, and I don't want to drill it out. So I guess I put the old cigarette lighter back in it. So you can check out that video there and that one. And hit the subscribe button. Remember, July 30th, we'll be down at Maxwell Motorsports. Come join us. 6 to 9. Later.